Cut tiles to fit around bathroom fixtures and edges by measuring precisely, marking clearly, and choosing the right tool for each cut. Start by measuring from reference edges to the fixture and add any grout gap you plan to use. Then transfer that measurement to the tile and mark cut lines with a pencil or non-permanent marker. For long straight cuts, use a scored tile cutter or a wet saw set to the correct depth. Score once and snap with steady pressure, or run the tile slowly across the wet saw blade, keeping hands clear. For inner cuts around pipes or odd shapes, use a carbide tile nipper to gradually remove small amounts, take frequent test fits, and file or smooth the edge with a rubbing stone for a snug fit. For circular openings, drill a starter hole with a carbide bit and use a hole saw size just under the cut line, or cut a pie wedge sequence with the nipper, then reshape the opening. When working near walls, leave a consistent expansion gap and use tile spacers as a guide, and check alignment with adjacent tiles to prevent cumulative error across the floor. Practice complex shapes on scrap tiles to build, feel, and reduce waste, and always wear safety glasses and gloves while cutting. 3 common mistakes are relying on a single measurement for multiple tiles, which causes cumulative error, forcing a tile into place which can crack it, and using the wrong tool for the cut, which makes rough edges and uneven fits. Measure each tile individually and recheck before cutting. Test fit and remove material gradually rather than forcing a press fit, and match tool to material and cut type for cleaner results. Another frequent issue is not accounting for grout or expansion gaps, so the fix is to decide grout width before measuring and mark that into cuts. A third issue is poor edge smoothing after nipping, so use a rubbing stone and fine diamond file to refine the profile and prevent sharp edges. We at BigHomeProjects.com connect homeowners with local contractors and provide project information related to bathroom tiling, so users can find help and compare options. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and learn from real project experiences.